All right, folks, here we are. It's fire ant season. It's the worst time right now. I've been using a bunch of this, and it's a real hit and miss. I mean, some mounds it kills them, and I can go through 4 or 5 mounds and nothing happens. So I don't know if these guys are eating it or they're moving it out of the way or what's going on. This is just exhausting. I mean, I'm sitting there poking a hole and filling it up, and it's just taking gallons and gallons of this stuff. It's becoming non-cost effective. Well, I found a new remedy here. And this is it right here. You got the laundry detergent here called Foca and Triacide insect killer for lawns by Spectracide. You'll mix it about 8/10 of it's going to be the soap, the Foca, the laundry detergent, and 2/10 is going to be the Triacide. So I'll say it one more time. The soap is going to be 8/10 and the Triacide is going to be 2/10 mix. You can put it in a container like that, mix it up, and shake that bucket if you can, if you have a shaker like I have here, and then just start giving it to the mounds, because I'd show you right now, man, they are doggone everywhere. They're all over my lawn. They're everywhere, these humongous mounds, and so we're going to hit a big one and see what happens. So check it out. Real quick, you can see here the Spectracide is on top here, and you can see that it's 8/10 full of this big old bucket here of the soap. So I'm gonna shake it up and it's gonna be ready to mix, and we're gonna pour it on the mounds. There's the mix. Let's get after it. All right, so let's do this. First, we're gonna take our screwdriver here. We're gonna disturb the world. There we go. We're in. They're out. Look at them. There they go. Can you see them? They're going nuts. Absolutely nuts. And then we just get a little scoop here. I have a 1/3 scoop here. Doesn't have to be a lot. Just put it in there. Get a 1/3 scoop of it, and just kind of pour it in there. Pour it in there. Give it some love there. You walk away. Next day, they're going to be gone. We're going to check it out. All right, folks, it's been 18 hours after application. Let's see what's going on here. They usually recommend 24. Okay. Our Spectracide and our Focus soap. Let's give some poke in here and see what's going on, man. Well, take a look at that. Let's see if anybody shows up. This mound was like very productive. So see what's happening. There's nothing stirring, not even a mouse. So typically it's 24 hours after application, but looks like 18 did the job. Make sure it's not going to rain. Get rid of these nasty things. I've done them all over here. I got a whole bunch of mounds I've done, and it's just real quick. You just scrape it, put some in. If it's a big one like this one, this big mess here, you just put some more in. Put them on. So much easier than everything else I've used. And they just die. Over here by my septic tank, oh my gosh. This one was a colony, man. Wow, look at this. Devastation. When I scraped it with the screwdriver, they were already crawling on the lawn towards my feet. It was just unreal. So, this is a do it to it, folks. Check it out. Give it a try.